Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to fix Siri Not Available Connect to Wi-Fi to download data for using Siri. Many iPhone users after updating are reporting the Siri not working problem. For this problem, go to your settings and hit on Siri and search. Then click on listen for and switch it off for a few seconds and again switch it on. For this, you need to set up your Hey Siri again. Once you finish it, go back to settings and click on language. It will be either in UK English or US English. Once it is done, go back to settings and hit on general. Scroll down and shut down your system for 20 to 30 minutes and then again restart your iPhone. Once you do that, click on transfer or reset iPhone and reset network settings. It will solve your problem. Thank you for watching this video.